How to activate two-factor verification on Binance. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily enable the two-factor authentication on Binance. First of all, open up your Binance application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. After this, what you're going to have to do is find the Binance logo at the top left corner. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page where you have different kind of shortcuts and your recommended apps. Just tap on the profile icon or your profile ID. Now you'll be taken directly to your account center. From here, head over to security, and then you have an option called two-factor authentication. So you can add either your biometrics authentication app or password. So if you want to add your biometrics as your two-factor verification, just tap on it first. Tap on add passkey. And then from here, you can just choose if you want a security key or a passkey. I'm just going to add a passkey as my biometrics as my two-factor. So tap on create, and it will automatically create a passkey for your verification. Now use your fingerprint scanner, and then it will be successfully added. If you are using Face ID on your phone, you could use that as well as your biometrics. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next one.